Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use aloe on the face and benefits. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome. And to my 102 subscribers, thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. Yes, thank you. I'm so grateful. We are celebrating. Yes, so on this channel, I do upload videos every day. Make sure that you check out the videos every day. So you know what, I'm super excited to share with you this informative video. So if you want to know the benefits and how to use it, make sure that you watch this video until to the end. You don't want to miss the benefits and how you're supposed to use it. Yes, so make sure that you don't go away. So when buying aloe, you have to make sure that you avoid products with added ingredients such as alcohol or chemicals. This can have harmful effects on your skin. So the easiest way actually is to keep, for a person is to obtain aloe gel, is to keep a plant in the home. So aloe vera is often available from any beauty garden, stores or online. Yes, so we've already washed our aloe and we had already rinsed them in water to remove the aloe or the yellow latex from the aloe vera, which we do not want. Aloe vera is a cactus, like plant that grow in desert regions around the world. Its leaves produce a gel that is rich in vitamins such as the vitamin A, C, E, B12. So using aloe on the face has benefits because its anti-inflammatory properties can reduce swelling and soreness of wounds or injuries. It supports the production and release of collagen. It can speed up wound healing time and limit scarring. It reduces the healing time of first degree and second degree burns. It's effective in treating fungal and bacterial infection. It has, antioxidant effects that can help repair sun damage and slow down the aging process of the skin. Yes, so now at this point we are using a masher. Like I always love good gadgets, so we had bought this masher. It's from a beauty supply store. This is what we're going to use to mash our aloe. So aloe also protects the skin from damaging effects of radiation therapy. It contains 98% of water, which helps moisturize, soothes, and hydrate the skin. It helps to make the skin more supple and flexible. It has a cooling effect on rashes, and sunburn. Conditions it can treat, or condition aloe can treat. People have used aloe for centuries for a treatment on skin disorders, injuries. Some of these conditions include acne, sunburn, pain, swelling, minor burns, skin wounds or cuts, fungal infection such as ringworms, eczema or atopic dermatitis, rosacea, sun or chemically damaged skin, also wrinkles. So like when buying aloe, you have to make sure that you avoid products with added ingredients, yes, or which have chemicals, because they are not good for your skin. Then dear friend, I encourage you before you use aloe on the face, make sure that you do apply a patch or do a patch test actually before applying aloe vera to the face. Apply a small amount of gel to the inside of the wrist to check for any reaction. That you leave it on and see if it starts to itch, swell, and change color. Do not apply aloe to the face. So applying gel in the face does not have associated with any shown healthy risk. However, some people may experience initial stingy or burning feeling after using the gel on dry sensitive skin. So I love using a cotton pad to apply it on my face. Yes, so this is all natural treatment which you can do if you have acne, if you have dry face. Yes, if you have, all those issues, they can be done away with the aloe vera. Yes, so are you going to make this? Yes, thank you so much, dear friends. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.